Hey everybody, today's unboxing comes to you via eBay, of all places. If you guys have seen one of my past videos where I got that VZ-58 parts kit, and then subsequently I got the VZ-58 barreled receiver, you know, that I do eventually plan on building when I have the time. However, when I bought that kit had the beaver barf style furniture. And by the way, guys, if you hear noise in the background, there is an ice machine running. So my apologies for that if it's noisy. But we're going to try to get through it the best we can. But anyway, so if you guys saw where I got that kit, it had the beaver barf furniture. I opted not to get the folding stock at the time because I heard that it was very uncomfortable to shoot, and a lot of people just didn't like it. So in the meantime, I've been looking for a folding stock for my VZ-58, and of all places, I found one on eBay. Believe it or not, I cannot believe I actually found it on eBay. But found it from a gentleman in Pennsylvania. I think the price on the folding stock kit was $150, which I thought, well, that's not bad considering, you know, how much you can buy them for when you can find them in stock any place. And there are a few places out there. But, you know, I just wanted it to go with it. Am I going to keep it on it? I don't know. But I just wanted a stock set, and I didn't want to buy a whole nother VZ-58 kit. So let's see the condition of what we got from this gentleman out of Pennsylvania, I believe, of all places. Let's check it out. They look pretty good from the pictures. I'm assuming it'll be just fine. I don't think there's going to be any issues. Let me get this newspaper out of the way. Making sure there's nothing wrapped up in these small pieces. Okay, so this was a complete kit with the folding hardware along with the mounting screw. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. Let's get this out of the way. So I don't know where this guy got this, to be honest. But check this out. It looks like everything is originally packaged, and this is in some kind of nice wax paper, and it looks like it. Oh wow! This thing is absolutely slathered in cosmoline. Guys, check that out. That's hilarious. So that is a very well covered VZ-58 folding stock, and it is absolutely, you guys can see the glare, it is absolutely drenched in cosmoline. That's really cool. So you've got your folding spring assembly as well as your mounting screw. There's that, which is usually, this is usually the hardest part to get. Not so much this screw that screws into the receiver, those are a little easier to get. Notice it's much shorter than the one that's on the beaver barf style fixed stock. So there's that, and then of course we have the plate, and the mounting plate, once again guys, is also completely covered in cosmoline. This guy's going to get a very nice review on his eBay profile page, because I mean, this is awesome. Every bit of it's still slathered in cosmoline, still in excellent shape, and I mean, this is going to make a great addition to my VZ-58 kit, because I could take and swap out my furniture, you know, do whatever I want to with it, you know, swap it up for range day, whatever, you know, maybe take this and do a paracord wrap on it for a cheek weld. But yeah, I'm pleasantly surprised. Of all places, eBay. I would have never expected that. Most of the time you can't find cool stuff like this on eBay, but surprise. And I just went out there on a whim. I don't even know where or why I was searching for one, but ended up on eBay, and this guy had one, and I was like, heck yeah. So I bought it. So don't forget places like that. If you're looking for some kind of unique parts for whatever implement that you have, you never know what you're going to find. Oftentimes things like this are looked over. There were quite a few people that were watching this auction. He offered to buy it now, so I figured, you know what, it's worth $150. I'm going to buy it now, so I bought it. Here it is. Figured I'd share that with you guys today, and remind you of the fact that never forget to search and Don't forget to exhaust all your available avenues when you're looking for parts, whether it be eBay, whether it be Gun Parts Corp, whether it be Apex, Centerfire Systems, any of those places. Because oftentimes, even Gunbroker, oftentimes, you know, people, I forgot about looking out on eBay for this, but it happened to come up in a web search and boom, I went and got it. So I think it's a great deal for what I wanted. I want to say if you buy these new from some of the other VZ-58 parts places, it's going to cost you at least $150, if not, I think about $180. I don't remember exact pricing, but I think this was a great deal. So I'm super happy about it. Now, one of the other cool things I failed to mention is, even though this is metal, I want to say Zahal or some other company makes a nice rubber slip-on butt pad for these, which helps to make that recoil a little more pleasant. Just wanted to cue you guys into that. If I get that wrong, I'll try to put it in the description or in the comments below, just to let you guys know if you guys are on the search for parts such as these. But as always, guys, plenty more content on the way. I just hit 4,000 subscribers. I'm super stoked about that. You guys made that possible. If you guys haven't considered subscribing in the past, make sure you do so. I try to make I try to post deals when I see them as quickly as possible. Some of you guys have reaped the benefits of that. If you're subscribed and you hit that bell for bell notifications, or hit the bell for notifications, you'll get cued in when I throw out a short or something like that of any deals that I find. And oftentimes, guys, those things go very quickly. So you've got to be quick, you have to be subscribed, and you got to hit the bell notification if you want to know about it. Sometimes, especially in terms of CNR stuff or parts kits, I'm telling you, it flies off the shelf. Sometimes, like if you guys go back and reference which I didn't post a deal, but if you reference my M70 AB2 rifle, my OPT4 rifle that I got a while back from, I think, from AIM Surplus, you know, those sold out in less than 30 minutes. I mean, it was insane how fast those went, and those are some really cool rifles. So if you guys haven't checked out that video, make sure you go check it out. It's a pretty cool rifle. Very pleased to have that in my collection. But anyway, as always, guys, big shout out to my subscribers. Thank you guys for all your likes, your shares, your comments, and until next time, you guys have a great day.